Welcome back. GetResponse also has funnel tools. You can go to this left side menu and you can click on this element that says conversion funnel. That's going to bring you to this page. You are going to notice two tabs. You're going to notice a funnels tab and you're going to notice a lead magnets tab. What you can do on the lead magnet tab is to click this button that says add a lead magnet. Now, GetResponse has given you downloadable files as a lead magnet. Now, as of the recording of this session, GetResponse does have an Add Lead Magnet button, and you're going to come to this page. You're going to give your file a name. Once you have written a description, what you can do is you can upload an image representing your file, and then you can upload a file to deliver to your customer as a lead magnet. Once you've done that, you can then click Add. And your lead magnet will then be available to be used here inside of GetResponse. Now you will see other lead magnets. You can actually go to these lead magnets. You can go to the ellipsis. You can then edit the lead magnet and you can make changes. So if you want to use another image, you can do it. If you want to use another file in the place of the one that GetResponse has given you, you can do it. So basically, you can upload your own, but you can also change over the existing lead magnets that GetResponse has given you to use as a sample. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.